Satellites are artificial objects placed in orbit around the Earth or other celestial bodies to perform various functions, such as communication, navigation, Earth observation, scientific research, and more. They work based on the principles of orbital mechanics, electromagnetic waves, and specific technologies related to their intended purpose. Here's a general overview of how satellites work. Orbit and launch. Satellites are launched into space using rockets. Once in space, they are placed into specific orbits based on their intended mission. These orbits can vary in altitude, inclination, and shape depending on the satellite's purpose. Gravitational balance. Satellites are able to stay in orbit due to a balance between gravitational forces pulling them towards the Earth and their forward velocity, which propels them away from Earth. This balance allows them to remain in a stable orbit. Communication. Communication satellites, like those used for television broadcasting and Internet services, work by relaying signals between ground stations and other satellites. Ground stations send signals to the satellite, which then transmits them back to Earth. The signals can be in the form of radio waves, microwaves, or other electromagnetic waves. Navigation. Navigation satellites, such as those in the Global Positioning System (GPS), emit precise signals that are received by GPS receivers on Earth. By triangulating signals from multiple satellites, these receivers can determine their precise location and calculate accurate navigation information. Earth observation. Satellites designed for Earth observation capture images and data about the Earth's surface, atmosphere, and oceans. These observations are used for various purposes, including weather forecasting, environmental monitoring, and disaster management. Scientific research. Scientific satellites are equipped with instruments and sensors to conduct experiments and collect data in space. They may study distant celestial bodies, measure cosmic phenomena, or monitor space weather. Remote sensing. Some satellites are equipped with sensors that can detect and measure various forms of energy, such as visible light, infrared radiation, and microwave radiation. This data is used for applications like agriculture, land use planning, and natural resource management. Solar power. Some satellites use solar panels to generate electrical power from sunlight. These panels convert sunlight into electricity, which is stored in batteries to power the satellite systems and instruments. Propulsion and control. Satellites often have small thrusters or reaction wheels to adjust their orientation and maintain their desired orbits. These systems allow satellites to stay pointed at Earth, adjust their orbits, or avoid collisions with other objects in space. Data transmission. Satellites transmit the data they collect or relay to Earth using electromagnetic waves. These signals are received by ground stations equipped with large antennas that can capture and process the incoming data. Overall, satellites are sophisticated technological tools that play a crucial role in modern communications, navigation, scientific research, and Earth monitoring. They operate in the harsh environment of space and are designed to function for extended periods, sometimes for many years, to fulfill their intended missions. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, Pakistan has launched several satellites for various purposes, including communication, Earth observation, and scientific research. Pakistan's space program is managed by the Pakistan Space and Upper Atmosphere Research Commission, SUPARCO. Here are some of the notable Pakistani satellites launched up to that time. Paksa series. Pakistan launched a series of communication satellites called Paksa. Paksa 1R was launched in August 2011 and serves both domestic and international customers for satellite-based communication services, including broadcasting, broadband internet, and data backhaul. PRSS-1, PAK-TES-1A, the Pakistan Remote Sensing Satellite 1, PRSS-1, was launched in 2018. It is an Earth observation satellite equipped with optical and synthetic aperture radar (SAR) sensors for applications like agriculture, disaster management, and resource monitoring. CubeSat, PAK-TE-1A. Pakistan launched its first indigenously developed CubeSat named PAK-TES-1A in 2021. It is a technology demonstration mission designed to provide hands-on training to Pakistani engineers and students in satellite development. Please note that there may have been additional satellite launches by Pakistan since my last knowledge update in September 2021. You can refer to the latest information from SUPARCO or other reputable sources for the most up-to-date information on Pakistan's satellite launches and space activities.